Good evening, everyone. In this short video, you'll learn how to take float input in Python, which means the decimal numbers such as 3.5 or 2.75, etc. We use built-in function called type to see the type such as whether the input is string, integer, float, etc. So let's first see the basic input. So let's use the input. For example, x is equal to input, and then I write enter any number. Okay, so and then we say print. We use the print. You understand print is the built-in function, and we use another built-in function called the type, which will tell us the type of this input. So type and input is X. So let's run. So for example, I input 3.5. Okay, so you see it shows the type is string or the character, which is not correct. What uh, what we want is the float. Okay, so we use the another function called the float to convert this string into float. So I write x is equal to float. X is equal to float, and then write input, and then I write enter any number, and then I write print type and uh, x. So if I run, oh, there's some problem. What problem is there? So let's see. Okay, so float input was never closed. So you see, I forgot to put the closing brackets, because you see one bracket open, second one open. So I must put here the second closing one. Okay, so let's run. Now again, I write the same 3.5. Okay, and if I run it, it will show that this is basically float. Although both values entered have the numerical type value as displayed, but the first one has the type of string and the second one the type of float, what we want. So you understand we use input for inputting the value from the keyboard, and we can use the float to convert this input value into float. Okay, so and you also understand type is basically built-in function which verifies or which tells us which type of the value we have entered. So I hope this clears you. Keep practicing on this one and all the other codes I have uploaded. See you in the next lecture. That's all for today.